Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change audio call mode on Line app. First you just open up your app and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Go down to calls, tap on calls, and you can see allow voice calls. Please make sure you leave this on. Disabling the setting will reject incoming calls and stop you from receiving missed call notification. So we have different stuff to do here under call mode. So the first thing you have to do is you can walk through the setting incoming calls. You can go through them, enable the ones you want, the ones you don't want. Ongoing calls, do you want sound? You do choose alert. You want to minimize notification, you can use the sound from the app or choose another sound. And then call activity, no sound. You can choose for there to be sound. And then compact voice mode. That means to display the voice calls on a small window to use other apps and features. We want this to go it on. But Line needs access to be able to do that. So you have to grant it access. So granted access, and then it is done. Compact voice call mode. So that's it. Then you can also do other ones. Incoming line qualification. If you enable this option, you will receive custom line qualifications. You'll be able to send a message when declaring an incoming voice call. So you can turn it on. Also choose the ringtone you want to play when your friend calls you by tapping on ringtone and choosing the one you want to from the default ringtone. Also have advanced call settings. Tap on it. Here you do call diagnostics to see if your microphone, speaker, camera working properly. Enable full HD voice call. You don't want to tap on to turn it off. Then this is the audio call mode, the main thing we're coming to. This is it. So you can use the communication mode to optimize voice call experience, and you can switch normal mode if you have any issues. So we have the two audio call modes. This is the real thing we're here to do in this task, which is to change audio call mode. So you have communication, we have normal, so choose the one you want. It's as simple as that. Now, a quick summary of how we got here. We'll start from here. From the home page, you tapped on settings, go down to calls, then we scroll down to advanced settings and the audio call mode. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change audio call mode on Line 2024. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.